Hi, Johanna. This book is for Monday, and we're going to read a story called I Read a Book. Now, there's going to be an important sight word in this book. It's going to be the word with, okay? And that's a word that sticks its tongue out at you at the end. Look, it's right here, with. And so in this story, this little girl wants you to know all the people she can read her book with. Okay. I read a book. I read with my mom. Good job. I read with my dad. Right. I read with my grandma. I read with my grandpa. I read with my aunt. I read with my sister. I read with my brother. I read, oh, it changed. Did you see the change? It doesn't say with anymore. What does it say? To my dog. Good job. Now, Johanna, I want you to practice this book several times today, okay? And we'll talk soon.